Okay, viewers, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into BitBrowser. First, I've opened the BitBrowser website. BitBrowser is an amazing anti-detect browser designed to help you securely manage multiple accounts. Besides that, it also offers BitCloud Phone, where you can run and control multiple Android cloud phones. It also provides BitCloud Phone for iOS, allowing you to use the latest iPhone cloud devices. These are BitBrowser's 3 major products, and today we're going to explore them one by one. Before we dive into the features, let's download and install BitBrowser. I'll go to the download section and install the Windows version. If you're using macOS, you can download the Mac version instead. Since I'm on Windows, I'll simply click the download button and install it. Now BitBrowser has successfully launched. As you can see on the dashboard, there are many useful features available, including the synchronization system, group management, proxy management, browser profiles, phone profiles for cloud phones, extensions, proxy IP settings, and user management. Now, let's get started. First, I'll open the browser profiles section and create a new browser profile. I'll click Add, then enter a profile name. I'll name it Seller3. Next, I'll choose the platform. Since I want to work with Amazon, I'll select Amazon as the platform. You can also enter your username, password, 2FA key, or profile URL if you want. These fields are optional, so you can skip them if they're not needed. Now let's move to the proxy section. I'll choose HTTP as the proxy type. I already have a proxy saved, so I'll simply copy it and paste it here. After entering all the required information, I'll click Confirm. As you can see, my browser profile has been created successfully. Now I'll open the profile to verify that the proxy is working correctly. After waiting a few seconds, you can see that the proxy is active and working perfectly. Now let's move on to the next feature, phone profiles. Here I'll show you BitBrowser's powerful BitCloud Phone feature, which provides fully functional cloud-based smartphones. I'll click Add, and here you can choose from multiple phone models. I'll select one of the available Android models. Next, I'll give it any name I want. Then I'll configure the proxy by entering the username and password. After that, I'll click Check Proxy to verify that everything is working correctly. Once the proxy is verified, I'll click Confirm. Now my BitCloud Phone is starting. But let me show you the most interesting part, how it actually works. After waiting a few moments, you can see that my cloud phone is fully running. BitCloud Phone provides a complete Android device in the cloud, allowing you to perform multiple tasks just like a physical smartphone. You also have options to adjust the volume and screen resolution. You can upload files directly from your computer, install Android applications, and transfer files easily. There's also a built-in QR code scanner, allowing you to connect with your mobile device and upload files quickly. Overall, the Cloud Phone feature is one of BitBrowser's most impressive tools. As you can see, it includes a browser, Google Play Store, and everything you need to sign in with your Android accounts and complete your work. You can also create multiple cloud phones simply by adding more profiles with different proxies, allowing you to run several devices at the same time. Now let's move on to another powerful feature, group control. I'll open the synchronization system. The latest synchronization window appears. I'll click Add, select all the browser profiles, assign a label, and confirm. Then I'll click Open Selected Browsers. Now all of my selected browser profiles are open. When I click Start Syncing, you can see that multiple browsers are synchronized together. This means I can control multiple browser windows simultaneously with just one click. This group synchronization feature is extremely useful for managing multiple accounts efficiently. If you open the Options menu, you'll also find features like Group Synchronizer, Tag Synchronizer, and various verification tools. These tools allow you to perform actions across multiple browser profiles at the same time, making account management much faster and easier. Now let's take a look at the Extension section. Inside the Extension Center, you'll find many useful browser extensions and built-in tools that can help improve your workflow. Finally, let's talk about pricing. BitBrowser is surprisingly affordable. There are also lower-cost plans available if you only need a small number of profiles. Overall, BitBrowser offers excellent value for anyone who manages multiple browser accounts or cloud phones. If you're interested, I highly recommend giving it a try. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and automation content. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.